In the world of kitchen gadgets, two big players are fighting for the top spot, the air fryer and the deep fryer. But which one is the best when it comes to taste? These two cooking tools have been making a lot of noise. Air fryers, promising a healthier, crunchier result, have convinced many people in kitchens. They're the newbies, bringing a new take on our frying needs. On the other hand, deep fryers are the old hands. They've been giving us that traditional rich taste for years. Nothing is quite like the satisfying crunch of a deep-fried treat, right? But it's not just about the taste. Ease of use is another big factor in this cooking showdown. Both gadgets have their strong points, making it a hard choice for food lovers, so it's time to end the argument once and for all. Forget the rumors, ditch the guesses, we're going to put these fryers to the real test. Let's jump into the taste test. What better way to settle this debate than a good old-fashioned taste test? We surveyed 100 foodies, asking them to compare the taste of food cooked in an air fryer and a deep fryer. Now let's dive into the results. For foods like French fries and chicken wings, a slim majority preferred the deep-fried version, citing a crisper texture and richer flavor. However, when it came to items like roasted vegetables and fish fillets, the air fryer took the lead, with respondents praising the light, even cooking and lack of excess oil. But let's not forget about the overall satisfaction. The deep fryer won the heart of many for its classic comfort food appeal, while the air fryer charmed others with its healthier, less greasy offerings. And what about the downsides? Well, deep frying does have a reputation for being a bit messy, and, of course, it's not exactly the healthiest cooking method out there. On the other hand, air frying might not deliver that deep, rich flavor you get from traditional frying, and it can take a bit longer to cook your food. As our survey showed, the taste can vary greatly depending on the appliance. It seems the choice between air fryer and deep fryer is, after all, a matter of personal preference. So, whether you're a fan of the crackly crunch of deep-fried chicken or the light crispness of air-fried veggies, there's a fryer out there for you. So, after our taste test, it's clear that both the air fryer and the deep fryer have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The air fryer offers a healthier, less oily option, while the deep fryer gives you that classic, crispy texture we all love. Your decision should reflect your culinary tastes and lifestyle. As the famous chef Julia Child once said, the only real stumbling block is fear of failure. In cooking, you've got to have a what-the-hell attitude. So, whether you choose an air fryer or a deep fryer, remember to have fun and experiment with your cooking. Please subscribe and enable the bell icon to not miss our upcoming videos, and jump straight to Z Point. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments. Stay in touch, stay tuned.